Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing haul and I'm going to share kind of a first impressions review. I placed an order with my Theresa, which is my first time shopping with them, and I picked up some pieces from a brand that's new to me and I've been super excited to try out their stuff. First I'm going to just unbox everything, share what I got, and then I'm going to kind of give you my first impressions on both my Theresa and the items that I picked up. So let's get into the video. So let's just get into the unboxing because I'm super excited. Alright, so when you shop with my Theresa, they send your receipt in this folder. So this is just like my receipt and return document. So this is the box that my items are packaged in. This is a true unboxing. I only just took this out of the, shipping box, but I have not opened this yet. So this is how the item comes packaged. Wow, look how nice everything is packaged down in there. The package has been lovely wrapped by, and it tells me who wrapped this. And yes, I must say the packaging is lovely. And this is a really nice box, guys, to keep. So here are my items wrapped in here. I'm going to just take off the ribbon. And it has a little sticker there. And here are my items wrapped in plastic as well. I purchased 2 tops from the Frankie Shop. Super excited to try out the Frankie Shop. I've been eyeing their stuff, and every time I want to pick something up and I'm like, yes, that's my first piece, I want to buy that, it's sold out. And the same with these items, they're sold out pretty much right now, but my Theresa had them listed in a set of 2 versus individually, and the set of 2 wasn't sold out, so I was able to get them in both colors that I wanted. Let me take this. I know holding it up doesn't really do it justice. I'll definitely have to try this on and show you guys what it looks like on me. But this is the Frankie Shop Eva muscle t-shirt. These have really kind of strong padded shoulders and they're like sleeveless. And here's the white one. So I got 2 of the same shirt. Let me speak a little bit about the item, and then I'm going to talk about the brand, the Frankie Shop, and then I'm going to give my overview of my shopping experience with my Theresa. So I wanted this for summer for sure. It's that kind of sleeveless, again, very masculine, strong vibe, but it just looks so sexy when it's styled up. So I've been eyeing this shirt like months back because I knew I wanted to get it for this summer. And it's been sold out. Well, the Frankie Shop is a brand, a designer that's based out of New York and Paris, my 2 cities. It's a brand that is also very minimalistic, which I like. I really like simple things that are striking. These shirts is exactly my vibe. It's like just a little elevated. It's just enough to have someone do a second glance, like her t-shirt is a little different. That's what I really like about the Frankie Shop's aesthetic, is that it's very simple, minimalistic pieces that are just stunning. And I really feel like the designs seem to be for all women, even women like myself who are a little curvier. It doesn't seem as though, there's certain things that I see online and it's like, okay, if you're not a certain size, this just won't be flattering on you. And I feel like with Frankie Shop, the pieces that I've seen, the pieces that have caught my eye, they all seem to be pieces that will look good on anyone at any size. And I really, really appreciate that. As a woman, it just makes you feel sexy and confident when you're shopping for something that will look good on your body type. And that's what I do appreciate about browsing the Frankie Shop. They have some shorts that I am dying for. I have to show you guys these shorts. I'm gonna put in a picture because you have to see these shorts. I am dying for these shorts, okay? I'm gonna get my hands on those shorts. I just didn't think with one of my Eva muscle tees that those shorts would be so perfect. I'm just dreaming of those shorts now. The Frankie Shop is a brand that I would love to personally collaborate with and work with. I really love their aesthetic. I love their pieces, and I'm very interested now. That's a brand I would love to collaborate with and share more of that brand with you. So if you guys like the pieces I picked up, definitely give me a thumbs up so I know you want to see more from the Frankie Shop. Just also, guys, I wanted to mention Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, head over to my Instagram. Make sure you follow. obviously be featuring all the stuff I share with you here. You'll see it in action on my Instagram. That's where I share more regularly. So when I wear these pieces, I am definitely going to feature them on my Instagram. So make sure you're checking me out on Instagram. I'm actually doing a separate giveaway for just Instagram people. So if you are already following me on Instagram, you already know that I have a little surprise that's unfolding on Instagram for my IG family. But you guys, if you're not following, go check me out on Instagram. Okay, so back to my Theresa. So this was my first ever purchase with my Theresa. Again, I was on the hunt for the specific Frankie Shop items. My Theresa just happened to have them in stock, so it was like my only option was to buy them on my Theresa. This is cool. I've never shopped with my Theresa before, so let me check out their experience. Let me see how it is. I did download their app, and I do like the app. The app is very easy to navigate. I liked that kind of that shopping and browsing experience. I think that's quite important, especially for fashion items. You really want to have a nice presentation of what you're selling. When you're checking out, you have the option to do kind of, I think it's called the eco packaging. Obviously, I didn't go with the eco packaging. You can get their traditional packaging, which comes in a gift box and packed up very lovely, as you saw, or you can go for eco. And I appreciate them giving the customer the option, because some people just don't like extra. They don't want the extra packaging. They don't want the extra box. So I really appreciate that they give the customer the option. Because this was my first purchase with my Theresa, I wanted to get the full experience so that I could give you guys my thoughts. When you're shopping luxury online, I think the presentation, your shopping experience online, and the way things are packaged and shipped means everything. Part of luxury shopping is the experience, right? So the package, the presentation is everything. So I really like that they kind of give you this, like almost like a little folio. It's like a folder with all your documentations in it. It's a nice quote. It has some My Theresa branding on it. So that's a nice way to keep receipts and all organized. So that is a nice touch as well. And there was the packing card. So I think that's really nice too, because it's kind of like a personalized thank you. And there's some accountability as to who packaged your item. And I think that gives, again, the consumer a little bit more connection to the process. It's like not some random person in a warehouse somewhere, but this is the name of the person who packaged my items with care. So I think that's just a really nice personal touch. So shipping. So shipping was $25. I was a little put off by that initially because I thought $25 for shipping is a lot. Although my purchase was a relatively small purchase given all of the things that are on my Theresa, right? I still thought $25 was a lot for shipping. I didn't feel like it was enough for me not to go through with the purchase though. You know what I mean? So I placed my order, and by the next day, my order was shipped. And I figured, wow, that was quick. I think that was a quick processing time, period. But get this, guys. My order shipped from Germany. I live in the US, right outside of New York City. And I got it the next day. So I literally ordered this 2 days ago. 1 day processing and packing and shipping the order, and then 1 day in transit. And it was at my doorstep this morning. Like, it wasn't even late in the afternoon. So giving the expeditious, like, shipping and processing time, $25 is completely reasonable in that sense, because basically I paid for my item to come from Germany, which I didn't take into account when I was first completing my order. But then also it got here the next day. Like, I purchase items within the US, and I live, again, right out of New York City where a lot of warehouses are, and I could get things very next day, and I still don't. So I'm very impressed with the packaging, with the customer service, the personalized experience you feel like you're receiving, as well as the shipping time. I think the shipping time was the most impressive. And for it to arrive packed so perfectly, it doesn't feel like it was rushed or thrown together, but it still got here literally within 2 days of me completing the order. So I don't know, guys. I'm liking my Theresa. It was a very good experience. My Theresa just has tons, guys, tons of designers, tons of great items. It's a really cool site. I would definitely shop there again. And if you guys are looking for something, I recommend you try it out. Guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not subscribed to my channel, definitely go ahead and subscribe. I talk about fashion, lifestyle, and travel. Also, don't forget to hit that bell so you can turn on post notifications so you never miss an upload. As always, guys, if you have any questions or comments, let me know in the comment section below. Until next time, guys.